Whoa, 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 whoa. Relax. That is my booty. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh.
Take a bite of it. Stop it. You chew on everything. Why you just sit there and chew on shit?
Is it supposed to be that, Sarah?
Yeah. Oh, you're so cutie, coochie coochie. Oh, you're so cutie too.
Oh yeah. Belly rub. Belly rub. You like that shit? Yeah, you do.
What happened right there?
Skater bat.
What was it?
A skater bat.
A skeeter bat? Did it hurt?
Yep.
Problem. You stupid motherfucker.
Wiggles. Wiggles. Wiggle. Hi, Wiggles. Oh, how you doing, Wiggle Man?
Slow down. Oh, I forgot she's German. Halt! Langsamer!
Slide your phone under the door and see what your dog does.
Alright, Tim, alright, it's my first time back in a week. Let's, hey, come on, let's slow down just a bit. Right, I'm not ready to, Tim, stop! Tim, stop it! You cunt! Tim! For f***'s sake, oh my heart! For f***'s sake! Christ! Tim!
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy.
And can I also have a venti cup of ice?
A venti cup of ice, okay.
And a pop cup?
If I were to hold you at gunpoint, what would you do? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna shoot. Bang!
Hoo-ha, 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 hoo-hoo-hoo. What the hell are these dudes hoo-hawing for? They about to have a ritual or something? Good citizens of Quack Quack America. Hey, maybe you don't get off me. I know you ain't about to get no speech on me. Get off me. Oh, my love. I love you so much. My beautiful baby.
Show your cat as a baby versus now.
Le petit chat. Le petit chat. Le petit chat qui court dans la maison, le petit.
Hi! Look how cute he is. Oh no!
Shoes. These are not for your toys, or for your mouth, or for your teeth. No, no, no.
I was just trying to get a cute video of my dog, and then...
That's so rude. Come on, Maggie. Come on.
Did you do this? This is Vera Wang.
Who that is? She do nails? I need to get my nails did.
That's it. I'm calling the police.
I ain't scared no popo. Call the popo, ho. Call the popo, ho.
The snack dealer gets caught giving extra snacks.
What are you doing?
La.
You stink like shit.
You're my friend now.
Hi. Stop.
Are you hungry?
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you want to eat?
Ham. Now.
Oh, dude, that's so mean. That's mean. Not nice. Ow!
Otis!
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Kevin gets really angry when I put stuff in his pool. Wait for it. He's about to lose the plot.
Two best friends eating grass. They might puke. Hello? Oh my gosh! Well, this is my dog now. Oh my god.
If you have a cat, this is an emergency. I need you to have them duet this video for me, please. I love them and I need to talk to them. Okay.
Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
Did you do this? This is Vera Wang.
Who that is? She do nails? I need to get my nails did.
That's it. I'm calling the police.
I ain't scared no popo. Call the popo, ho. Call the popo, ho.
We about to turn up tonight. Yeah. I done started early. If I can get my stick through here, get out the way, fool. Can't get my stick. Oh, here it is. Going this way. Yeah. All right, now come on, bro. These Scooby snacks gonna kick in any minute. And I'd rather be inside when it does. I ain't trying to get arrested today.
She loves salmon. Salmon skin, bone, dog treat, chicken.
Damn, it really do be beautiful outside right now. But you know what it's not beautifuler than? It's not better beautifuler than you.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb.
Quiet fart so mum won't notice. In 3, 2, 1. Oh God.
I'll just keep on jogging. Y'all doing a great job. I'm gonna just go on head over here and oh, this that new iPhone with the 3 cameras. Hold up, who gonna leave this out here? I'm gone. This is my phone now.